Nassau River. Gonna give it a go with light tackle. I'm using my Mr. Crappie rod and reel combo. And I got a bobber here. I got a swivel because I'm using 15-pound braid and I'm using 6-pound mono as a leader. And I got a small, I believe this is a 3/0 circle hook and a night crawler. All my spinning gear I have braid on it because it doesn't tangle as easily as mono or fluorocarbon would. And as you can tell, I have my dog out here as well. Alright, there's that. I got another rod out that just has a simple drop shot rig tied on. I just have it out here in a little bit deeper hole right out here. And that is a rod I have not talked about yet. It's set up. It's got a couple split shots on the bottom. It has on the bottom, and then it has a hook. It's rigged up just like a drop shot, like you would use for bass fishing. And then it comes up and I have it tied on with a FG knot to 15-pound braid as well. That way I didn't have to put a swivel on, and I could put on as long a leader as I wanted. Alright, we've been here for a while, but this here's a Mr. Crappie reel, the SS1 model. I use this mostly for jigging and just straight down, dropping live bait down, straight down like behind my kayak or in front of my kayak when I'm anchored up. I got 15-pound braid here, and this is 6-pound mono. Then I have a number 3 J hook tied off with just tied off, no swivel, no 3-way there. And then I have a couple split shots on the bottom, and that makes a drop shot. And this is on a really old pole that I've had for a long time, and the lettering and everything's wore off of it. But it is a light. I know it's a light pole. Just a light action pole. So, anyways, I'll talk to you.